Don't you hate it when this happens?
Ho, ho, ho!
And there she
Merry
was,
Christmas!
with her package. What she thought was a package. For her.
From outside, let's see what's in here. Okay, so this was the premise of the project. I have the package here, and when it's opened by a thief of sorts, this is how we trigger the guy, by the way. So, it starts closed, and once they start to open, the alarm goes off there, and then we reset it there. But yeah, so I have a 12-volt battery here that's connected. I uploaded the code to the Arduino card here. So we have our laser pin, and it's going into 5 volts here and into the ground on the board here. We have our buzzer that's connected here to pin 9. We have the button connected to pin 12. So essentially the code is telling me when it's armed, I push the button here and I set the package outside, and when the person takes the package, opens it up, they open it and the laser is then set off, and then our detonators go off. So the buzzer, the LEDs, they're all going at once, essentially letting us know that an intruder has taken the package. They've opened it, and now they have to deal with this noise of the buzzing and such. But yeah, so essentially I did some Boolean logic with this code and the statements that would state when the trigger is armed, and if the threshold of the photoresistor value is greater than a certain amount of that threshold, like first initial value of 600, say, and that's when our if statement goes into if trigger is armed, yes. If armed is true, yes. All of these things are going to go off. So as we saw here, let's do it again. The LEDs are going off, our buzzer's going off, and we'll just stop that there and turn it off. But yeah, so that's how that works. And essentially, when it's turned off, we have another if-else statement saying when the trigger is okay, wow. When the trigger is not on. When the trigger is it's deactivated, essentially. Like in this state, it's we haven't yet pushed the button to activate the alarm, so everything is deactivated. So it's on, but we haven't yet put it into the statement that says, hey, everything's on, look out for potential hazards, and then, you know, our little guy goes off. So that's the guy. That's the idea.